I want to get your reaction to the Daniel Penny not guilty unanimous verdict, Congressman Lawler. There's a lot of questions about DA Alvin Bragg, why he even brought this case, the fact that some say he should resign, but all the lawfare we have seen. And Bragg, as a result of bringing this case, really, I saw some racial tensions yesterday outside the courthouse that this country does not need.
No question. Alvin Bragg has been a failure as district attorney. He is the worst district attorney in America. And this is someone who has allowed violent criminals to go back out onto the street only to reoffend. He is someone who has not stood up to protect victims. And he has allowed lawlessness to win the day in New York City. Sadly, we saw with Jose Alba, the bodega worker who was defending himself, and Alvin Bragg charged with murder. We saw here with Daniel Penny, a good Samaritan who was trying to protect innocent people, get charged. And we saw the lawfare against Donald Trump, in which Alvin Bragg took what amounted to a federal elections law violation that even the Biden Department of Justice would not
Congressman
prosecute,
Lawler,
and Cy Vance, his predecessor, wouldn't prosecute.
If I can step in, do you think it's gone to the point now where it's possibly criminal that there should be investigations with the incoming DOJ on maybe crimes that Bragg himself would be guilty of, whether it be malicious prosecution, violating Daniel Penny's civil rights here? Has it risen to that level now, as there might be an opportunity for folks to come in and take a real hard look at where Bragg went way beyond the law, including, as you know, with Matthew Colangelo being right there by his side from the DOJ with the case against Donald Trump?
Look, I think very clearly Alvin Bragg should be removed as district attorney. Kathy Hochul has that power, and she should remove him effective immediately. If DOJ is going to look at violations of civil liberties, certainly in the case of Daniel Penny, that may be something they want to evaluate. But I think what is clear, more than anything else, is that Alvin Bragg has allowed politics to be pervasive in his decision-making as opposed to upholding the rule of law. And Kathy Hochul has a responsibility under the New York State Constitution to remove him as district attorney effective immediately.